Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix can't see real time in Rithmic Trader Pro. And if you want to see the real time in Rithmic Trader Pro, you need to click on one single simple setting. It's quite simple, guys, because if you go right here to chart and we double click on symbol exchange, go to CME Australian dollar, select this one, and then we do add. Click on the cross. Now we are having here a beautiful chart. Look how beautiful it looks like. But right now, what we need to do is quite simple, because you see right here the option from 1420 to 21. So now if you click on this one, we disable it. And now if you can see, we are having a real time right here on the chart. And that's exactly what we need and what we wanted. So this is how it works. Just one simple click and now we have it back. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.